How to make money on your phone from anywhere in the world. Hello everyone, I'm Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you an app that you can download on any device, whether it is an Android phone or an iPhone. You'll be able to download this app and start making money. And unlike other apps, this is a legit app that you can download and use to make money in your spare time at home or at work in your lunchtime. The app that I'm talking about, as you can see right here, is Appkarma. And the beauty about Appkarma is you'll be able to download the app, as I said earlier, from worldwide, and you'll be able to play games in the app and earn legit money. Yes, this is one of the few apps that you don't have to worry about a lot of spam and not getting paid, and it just wasting your time. And the beauty about Appkarma is you'll be able to transfer your points for PayPal money, or if you would like, you can get gift cards for popular companies, for example like Amazon. So all you'll do is simply download the app on your device and start playing games that are in Appkarma, and you'll start making money. And also, to make even more money when it comes to Appkarma, you'll simply share your referral link. So for example, if you have friends or co-workers that would like to make money also online, you can share your link and you'll be able to get 30% of whatever your referrals earn. And who doesn't like to play games on their mobile device during their spare time? So you can simply do that and you'll be able to earn money. And again, as I said earlier, this app is available from anywhere in the world on both Android and iPhone. So be sure to download this app and start making some money. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to let me know in the comment section and also leave a like. And thank you for watching.